Hey, how would you like to 5x your business this year by just using your mobile phone? That's right, using your mobile phone to produce high quality videos to reach the masses, your target audience with videos. I'm going to show you how in our workshop. You see, for the past 15 years, I've been shooting professional corporate videos with high-end equipment. And what I found out along the way is that most people couldn't afford my services. So I decided I'm going to go ahead and put together a workshop where anyone can take their phone and use it to its fullest potential to reach the mass audience that you want to reach with your videos using your mobile phone. So for more information, go ahead and opt in. We've got a free webinar that's going to show you how to use your phone to its fullest potential, and I'll see you guys on the inside.